Hi, to enable and disable NFC on your Xiaomi 13, as a first step, let's unlock the phone, and now we need to go in its settings. From here, select more connectivity options and then find NFC. You can see that this feature allows you data exchange when this device touches another, and to enable it or disable, just tap on this switcher near this feature like that. When it's blue, it is enabled. Also, you can go in the payment default after that and select your default payment app, either Google Pay or SIM Wallet or anything you have on your phone. Here you can also enable this NFC DND, so don't receive any notifications about unrecognized NFC tags. And you can restore NFC functionality if you just tap this yes button. And now, to reach this feature easily, you can just swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger the control center and find it in this tab. If you cannot find it, go in the edit mode and add it from the system toggles just by tapping on the plus. And now when it's blue, it is enabled, and if you tap it like that, it would be disabled. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.